Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I would like to talk about an ICO called Guts, and it's a ticketing platform which uses blockchain technology to register ownership of smart tickets. By doing so, Guts makes ticket fraud impossible. They recently reached their soft cap during the pre-sale. What's really exciting about this project is that they've already got a working product, and you can try it out on their website unlike any other ICO. And also, they've got lots of big names in their team, like for example, Watsi De Jong. He's the manager of Martin Garrix, whom you may know from the song Animals. This just proves to me that they're a big contender and will really put up a fight in revolutionizing this space. What Guts aims to achieve. So, Guts is a project which has been in development for quite some time. It was founded in March 2016 by 3 Dutch entrepreneurs who felt that the ticketing and event industry had inherent flaws. In today's ticketing industry, large companies abuse the connection between artists and fans by so-called ticket touting. This is where large quantities of tickets are often bought from the source and then sold later on at a crazy premium when demand for last-minute tickets increases. While many are inclined to believe that it's the average user who upsells their ticket prices, it's often corporations built on the notion of ripping off the fans who control this market, and in doing so, they make it unfair on the true fans who would love to go see their favorite artist perform live. Guts was born to stop the archaic market, and to do that they've built smart tickets, which has various technologies integrated so that the tickets can know when it's changed hands, but also verify and store information on the ticket holder in order to prevent scamming or abusing the ticket industry. And this is where the blockchain integration comes to the rescue. How Guts achieves their goals. A traditional ticket sale involves the user buying a ticket, the system allocating a seat or space to the user, and then the user receiving a static QR code which is used to enter the event. The problem with the traditional ticket sale is due to the static nature of the QR code, which is often printed and delivered to the user before the event begins. Since this static medium is used, it opens up the avenue for abuse, as the primary purchaser of the ticket has plenty of time to resell the ticket at a premium and get the ticket to the secondary buyer. This static QR code, therefore, does not track any data on the purchaser and essentially has no way of knowing if the ticket has been sold on the secondary market by a ticket tout or fan trying to make a profit. With Guts, all of the ticket implementation is done via the browser on the purchaser's mobile phone, which has several benefits, as the purchaser can instantly see the ticket option as soon as it's purchased, instead of having to wait for a ticket in the post like most methods. These tickets are incorporated via a GET protocol, and while this sounds daunting, it actually works to simplify and secure the ticket and the purchaser's place at the event. In order to do this, the GET protocol incorporates a number of solutions. Locked QR. The QR code is locked behind the scenes on the mobile and only reveals right before an event starts, which prevents the user reselling this ticket on a marketplace for an increased price, as they have no way to access and distribute the QR code. The organizer of this event has the power to set the time frame for when the QR codes unlock. Shuffling QR. When the QR code finally unlocks before the event starts, it shuffles periodically to further prevent those trying to resell last minute. When the QR code is then scanned at the event, the code disappears off the user's screen. SIM locking and mobile verification codes. This measure is split into 2 parts. Firstly, each ticket has to be verified by the user entering their mobile number and confirming the link via a text message that is sent to the user's mobile phone. Secondly, in doing so, each ticket gets locked to the mobile SIM. Therefore, the QR code will only appear on this particular verified phone, which is a great security measure. Selling your ticket using Guts is still possible to sell your ticket on the system, and it's actually a very simple process, one that is fair to both the primary and secondary purchaser. Essentially, the primary buyer puts up the ticket for sale on the GET protocol. This happens all through the user's mobile browser, and the sale is conducted at the same price that it was purchased at from the original source. This method therefore prevents any profits, which makes ticket touts redundant while promoting a fair solution for fans. The benefits of Guts for all parties. So while Guts has a vision and has implemented this into an already functioning application, which you can, there are other factors to consider, as sometimes having better technology doesn't always mean a project will be successful. Thanks to Guts' model, every party in the ticket chain benefits from this application. Benefits for the end user. The end user gets to purchase tickets and have them delivered straight to their mobile phone after simple verification. They don't have to worry about the technology, as this is all packed behind the helpful user interface, which has been purposefully made to account for all the varying technology skill levels of those purchasing tickets. In later versions of the app, the user will be able to view all their smart tickets on the Guts system, but for now, they can be viewed on the Ethereum blockchain. Benefits for the event organizers. Event organizers are an important medium to target, as they are the ones with the venue and often the ones having to implement the hardware that's capable of registering and accounting for those entering. Even in a tame example, most modern venues will have multiple entrances, 30 plus scanning devices, which are all being used simultaneously. The organizer benefits from Guts, as they are able to see a dashboard of real-time data concerning ticket sales, which are all enforced via the blockchain, so that they are uneditable and easily auditable when needed. Thanks to all tickets being implemented via the GET protocol, it's easy for the venue to reimburse the funds to customers if an event is canceled, as well as pay settlements of sale revenues. As you can clearly see, Guts has simple solutions and great improvements for event organizers compared to the traditional models. These improvements are glaringly in need for today's world. Benefits for the artist. The majority of artists who perform at venues are getting increasingly annoyed by today's ticket selling world. As the capabilities of touts increase, lapping up more and more tickets whilst the actual ticket selling medium ceases to improve. As an artist, it's important that fans are able to get the best deals and secure tickets, and currently ticket touts and traditional ticket sellers are the third-party medium getting in the way of the artist and fan connections. Not only this, but artists could also use the platform to offer a variety of different tickets in the future, as well as fully incorporate with fans. Artists could send messages to fans who hold tickets using the Guts system, and therefore create an amazing experience for event goers. If you want to learn more about Guts, you can check out their website at guts.tickets or join their Telegram. And also, a big thank you to Colby Moore for helping out with this script. Please go follow him on Medium. He is a really great crypto writer. All the links are in the description below. So, that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace.